So friends, here are all our ingredients. This is 1 cup of oats which we are going to roast and then grind to a powder. This is hing or asafotedia. We're going to use 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohri or rye, 1 tablespoon of broken cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon of udid dal. Then we require about 6 to 7 curry leaves, fresh curry leaves. Now, besides these ingredients, we're also going to be using half a cup of semolina or rava. Now, I'm using the fine rava. 1 small onion chopped very fine. 1 packet of Eno, which works out to 1 tablespoon, or you can use any fruit salts. The juice of 1 small lime or lemon, half a cup of curd, dahi yogurt, 1 cup of water, some salt to taste. So let's begin making this amazing oats and rava idli. Now we're going to begin by roasting our rava. We're going to roast it for just 2 minutes on a low to medium flame. And then once it's completely cooled down to room temperature, we're going to grind it in a mixer to a fine powder. Now in a pan, I'm going to be heating about 1 tablespoon of oil and I'm just adding about half tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter to it. Once our oil and ghee mixture heats up on a low to medium flame, we're going to start adding all our other ingredients. We're going to start off by adding the mustard seeds and we're going to wait for them to splutter. Once they do splutter, we're going to add in our udid dal. This adds a very nice texture to the idlis. Next, go in our broken cashew nut pieces. Next, we'll go in our asafotedia or hing. Now we're going to add our curry leaves. This adds a lovely aroma as well as a lovely flavor to the idlis. Give all of this a nice mix. And now we're going to add our onions. And then we're going to now fry it well. And last goes in our rava or semolina. The aroma of all these spices and the rava and the curry leaves is just amazing. Now we're going to fry this for a little while, a minute or so, and then we're going to completely cool it to room temperature. Now at this time, you can start preparing your idli steamer by filling it up with water and heating the water till it comes to a boil. You can also apply some ghee or some oil. I've applied ghee to the idli plates. I love the flavor of ghee on the idli. That's why I apply the ghee. Now we're going to transfer this mixture of all our spices and the semolina to a bowl or a dish. To this, we are going to add our roasted ground oats powder. Give this a nice mix. Now, once we mix all of this together, we're now going to add some salt to taste. I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoon, but you can add as per your taste. Now we're going to add some dahi, yogurt or curd. Give all of this a nice mix. Now we're going to add in our juice of one small lime or lemon. And now goes in the water, but add just enough water that it makes a idli batter consistency. So it shouldn't be too runny, it shouldn't be too thick. It should be just right, like a idli batter consistency. And now goes in the final ingredient, which gives it a nice light consistency, that of a fermented idli batter, which is our fruit salts. So I'm using Eno. It's about one packet, which works out to about one full heaped tablespoon. So just empty that fruit salt into our mixture. And then you will notice that the entire mixture becomes nice and airy and light. So now our steamer is all ready. Once we mix this up together, all we have to do is just fill this batter into the idli plates. And then we're going to steam it for exactly 15 to 20 minutes. So set a timer. See that you have enough water boiling in your steamer. Keep an eye on it. And what I like to do is, for the first 10 minutes, I like to keep the steamer on a high flame, and then I reduce the flame to a medium flame for the next 10 minutes. So 20 minutes, and then don't immediately open your steamer once it's 20 minutes. Let it cook in the residue heat. And then remove the idlis and let them come to room temperature. Don't be in a hurry to demold the idlis. Let them come to a room temperature. So keep them, out in the on your platform or your kitchen platform for about at least 5 to 10 minutes. And then when you take a spoon and remove it, you will see that it comes out very, very easily. So don't overfill the idli plates. And then just put them in the order and steam them. And friends, after 20 minutes and then letting them come to room temperature, these are the lovely oats and rava idli. They are really so very delicious and so very healthy too. So do try out this recipe and do let me know in the comments box below how you liked this recipe. And if you do like this recipe, then don't forget to leave this recipe a big thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button if you haven't already. And once you have subscribed, click the bell so that you won't miss out on any of my videos or recipes that I upload. Do visit my channel. I have more than 240 recipes at the moment. So I have a wide range of recipes. So you can go and check it out on Akshatas Recipes. And thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos. I will catch you in my next video. This is Akshata saying bye. See you soon. Take care.